one of the things that we're seeing in the modern dental office is the ability now to collaborate with multiple stakeholders around the treatment plan of a particular patient. One example, in this example here, we've got a patient named Emma Mangano, and she's got a number of procedures that she has been that have happened for her. There's some radiology consultation, and probably an implant here that's going to occur. In this case, I'm using this person, the specialist, and in this case, I'm using a different individual. One of the opportunities that this type of collaboration enables, I'll just click on this one, which is a veneer case, is that we can start to share all of the digital assets that might be relevant for this patient. So I can share multiple different types of documents, including 3D images, including patient images, and the ability to actually annotate those images so that I can draw something that might be important for the person that I would like to collaborate with. I can add comments, and so can others that I might want to share this image with. Now, sharing is really as easy as clicking share. And I can click on the specialist that I might want to use, potentially another specialist, or maybe just my study club. And I can share the entire treatment. And you can see a number of patient privacy controls to manage HIPAA requirements. And now when I've clicked on share the stage, each of those individuals has been invited to this particular case to be able to comment on it. Immediately when they log in, they'll see my annotations, they'll see my comments, and be able to make further comments about the treatment. The exciting part about where this technology goes is after that collaboration during the patient treatment between the dentist and the specialist team, it will go to the lab, who is a key customer or key stakeholder in the delivery of the treatment. All of the information that's relevant can be taken and shared between that lab, the Digital Design Center, and the Milling Center to actually produce an implant. So it takes it through the full circle. It's a pretty exciting trend in digital dentistry, something that obviously is going to change the very nature of it.
I had a quick question. The other thing we had discussed when I saw this previously is there's an element of workflow, so the system can actually follow the stage something is in. Can you quickly show how that looks on the screen and how you can actually follow workflow in the cloud?
Sure. In this system, it's broken up into two phases. The first phase has to do with the treatment that's actually being delivered. And in this case, it's an implant treatment. And as the stages progress, you'll see this highlight in different areas and specific digital assets be attached to each of those specific stages. So in this case, for example, we've got a couple of comments and a number of assets. Then what I can do is I can switch it to a lab view. And once I've got it in the lab view, I can follow the same sort of formula for the actual production of that case. And so we really have tried to separate sort of patient care versus patient delivery, which is the lab, the milling center, and the design center. And each of these organizations might have their own workflow, which can be customized according to how they choose to deliver their product.